All right. Hey, everybody. It's Becky from Patchwork Posse and the Patchwork Planner, as well as my online quilt group, the International Association of Quilters. So I'm so excited you are here for a quick minute. I thought I would make this a really fast video about letting you know what is finally here. So as many of you know, and as we celebrate all over the place, is Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So we are going to end the year strong this year with a plan and review event in December, using your Patchwork Planner to help keep 2021 going and becoming the year you quilt. Tackle those lost and forgotten projects in our Orphan Project Challenge in January. So let me tell you just a quick note about the awesome bundle that I have for plan, track, and organizing, okay? So it includes the 2021 Patchwork Planner. It is not the bound edition, however, it is the digital edition. So you do not have to wait for this to be shipped to you. You have immediate access to the PDF file. You can send it over to your local printer. They can print it for you. It's not black, it's black and white, so it's not color besides the cover. So it's super kind of cheap to print. It's very easy on your bank account, okay? So then you can have them bind it if you'd like, or you can hole punch it for a 3-ring binder. So our 2020 BF, like our BF Black Friday awesome bundle, includes the digital 2021 Patchwork Planner. It also includes an invitation for our plan and review year happening in December. You'll get more information for that as well, but it's all about kind of recapping what we've done, helping us process things that we have participated in, maybe some charity programs that we've participated in, gifts for others, as well as many of us participated in quarantine quilts or block of the months during the year. So we'll help kind of review all of this stuff, and then we will have a minute for planning ahead, getting that calendar straight, seeing what's available out there, putting it on inside your planner that you have already printed and prepped for this. In addition to that, we want to continue this. So in January, you will be invited to the Orphan Project Challenge. This challenge lasts from 5 to 7 days. We are throwing ourselves into lost and forgotten projects. So after all of our holiday stuff is all sewn, we can kind of regroup and rethink and reorganize what our project pile looks like. So this is all about removing our overwhelm, removing our guilt, finding new ways to finish our projects, or at least get them moving forward. Really, that is the goal with the Orphan Project Challenge. Along with that challenge, you will receive the Orphan Project Quilt Block Ebook. This has over 30 projects that you can make using different quilt blocks that are lost, forgotten, left over from other projects, or just plainly didn't work out, didn't match, or they're just not in that quilt anymore. So we give you the ebook that allows you to move them into something new and actually get them finished. You will also get the OPC prep kit as well as the tracking sheets. So that is our awesome bundle, keeping your projects in one clear view, getting done what you have planned. So we are super excited to offer this. It is only available right now. So once the deadline hits, it is going away until next year. So I am super excited that we get to end the year strong, and with our plan and review, with the digital planner that you'll have, and then in January kind of working through our organization and working through those projects and getting them moving forward once again. So I hope you join us. I'm excited to send you all the information and what is included in the bundle. So you will see a few emails from me after you purchase, one immediately giving you access to the planner digital version so you can have that ready for our plan and review day. So I hope to see you soon, and I will see you later. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the holiday week, everybody.